Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Pinterest board. Okay, first make sure you actually signed in to Pinterest.com and then come and hover over here at the top right, okay, and click on this and you will be redirected to your profile. And here is where you can create a board. So under boards here, if you scroll down, we have this option to create a board. So go ahead and click on this. And now you just name your board. Okay, let's do, for example, cars. And if you want, you can go ahead and keep this board private. And if you do not toggle this one, right, it will be a public board. So anyone who comes to your profile will be able to see your board. And if you want, you can add collaborators as well. But I'm not going to do that for now. I'll just go ahead and click on create. And here we go, guys. We have our board created. And it's also suggesting some pins for us based on our name. So I'll go ahead and save this one. And this one looks nice as well. Okay, and you can add some others as well. Now when you're done, go ahead and just click on done. And here in our profile, we will be able to see our board. So this is called cars. And it currently has 2 images, right? And if I go ahead and to my profile, here we go. This is our board we just created. And it's really that easy and simple.